पणजे रिझर्व्ह बँकाच्या जोडपालवान वाळपयत बँक खात्याचेर जनतेक जागृत करपाक कार्यशाळा आयोजीत केल्ली। ह्या वेळार वाळपयची नगराध्यक्षा परवीन शेख हजर आशिल्ली। RDX गोवा खातीर वाळपयच्यान निलेश परवार।
Such programs are very important because it can create some awareness among the people. Because as mentioned, we know the bank, it gives us loan, we can create some savings in that. But exactly, what exactly are the schemes, what exactly are the facilities, we are just unaware of it. So through this awareness program, we come to know all about it. And all the self-help women, they also I think can take the lead and come forward to start their own business. They don't have to depend on the husbands all the time. They're starting a small business, they are on their own way, and indirectly they create some employment facility for so many people. So even mans, they can also start a small scale business in their own town. They don't have to go all the way to Panjim, Nafsa. We have got so many areas where the agriculture thing can be done. Just with the help of the banks, we can go forward and take a lead to do something. So only thing I just say that all the people just take a lead to come in front, to contact the banks and see what are the schemes, what are the facilities, how